So Maxwell did this mathematically based upon the experimental results of Faraday, and roughly speaking, what Maxwell ultimately concluded from the equations, from the math, was that an electromagnetic disturbance always travels at a particular speed, regardless of the wavelength, which is the distance between one crest and another. And remarkably, the speed that he found for electromagnetic waves, again, independent of whether they have a very long wavelength or if, for instance, they have a much shorter wavelength, like this fella coming in here, he found in the equations that the speed of those electromagnetic disturbances would always be equal to a particular number, and that number turned out to be 671 million miles per hour, or 300 million meters per second. So this was a stunning insight. And again, if you haven't studied electromagnetism, it doesn't matter. All that matters here is that Maxwell had these equations, and from the equations out came, from a calculation, a speed that was equal to the speed of light. What was Maxwell to conclude?